Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 23, microorganisms. So in this worksheet we will learn about the organisms which we can't see by our naked eye, and these organisms are called microorganisms. So microorganisms are very tiny living organisms. They are so small that we need a microscope to see them. They can't be seen by naked eye, so we use microscope to see microorganisms. That's why they are called microbes or microorganisms. Organisms which are very tiny and can't be seen by naked eye. There are various types of microorganisms around us, and they are of mainly four types. What are the four types of microorganisms? First one is bacteria. Bacteria, this is the picture of bacteria. Bacteria causes many diseases. Second one is protozoa. Protozoans are generally live in water, and they are also microorganisms, can't be seen by naked eye. Third one is fungi. Fungi are non-green plants and they grow on dead and decaying matter. Fourth one is algae. Algae is a green plant which have no branches, stem and other parts of the plants present in the algae. Viruses, now the one other type of microorganism, that is called virus. Viruses are also microscopic but are different from other microorganisms. How they are different from other microorganisms? A virus is only living when it is inside its host. जब बच्चों वायरस होस्ट के अंदर पहुंच जाता है, होस्ट मीन्स फ्रॉम द एनिमल और प्लांट बॉडी from which it is obtained its food. So when it is inside the its host, otherwise it is considered as non-living. होस्ट से बाहर हम इसको कैसे कहते हैं? होस्ट की बॉडी से बाहर it is considered as non-living. It is only living when it is inside the body of the host. They can survive under all types of environments. Means microorganisms can survive under all types of environments, like ranging from ice cold climate and hot springs and deserts, marshy lands. They can survive in ice cold climate, hot springs, garam झरनों में भी, and they can survive in deserts, also marshy places or in marshy lands. So they are also found inside the bodies of animals including human. अदर एनिमल्स की बॉडी के अंदर भी इंक्लूडिंग ह्यूमन वो सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms while some exist freely. कुछ microorganisms कैसे exist करते हैं? Freely exist करते हैं, while some microorganisms grow on the other organisms. These are some pictures. There are some pictures given to you. These are the pictures of hot spring. Microorganisms can survive in hot spring. Second one is desert. They can also survive in desert. Ice cold, in ice cold climate, the microorganisms can survive in this climate also, and in the soil different types of microorganisms present in soil. Now check yourself. Your first question is, what are microorganisms? And write their names. So, what are microorganisms? Microorganisms are very tiny organisms which can't be seen by naked eye, and they are so small that we need microscope to see them. They are called microorganisms, and different types of microorganism. First one is bacteria, second one is protozoa, third one is fungi, and fourth one is algae. So these are the different types of microorganisms, and you can write on fifth place, on fifth number you can write viruses. Viruses are also a special type of microorganism which are survive only in the body of host or inside the host. Your next question is, are microorganisms harmful or useful? Justify your answer. You have to tell or you have to explain how microorganisms are harmful for us and how they are useful for us. You know, some microorganisms are useful for us. So, first of all, we will discuss about useful microorganisms. Some microorganisms help in processing of cheese, bread and curd. कुछ microorganisms क्या होते हैं? They help in making cheese, curd and bread. Also, these some microorganisms help in manufacture of alcohol, vinegar जिसको आप सिरका कहते हैं, अल्कोहल बनाने में यूज़ होते हैं, also used in making citric acid etc. So they are used in different industries for making alcohol, vinegar or citric acid etc. So in this way some microorganisms are useful for us. Now we will discuss harmful effects of microorganisms. How microorganisms are harmful for us. Microorganisms grow on the food material and multiply on them. जो फूड मटेरियल्स होते हैं उन पर ये ग्रो करने लगते हैं because these the microorganisms are present everywhere even in the air. So microorganisms grow on the food materials and multiply on them. They release toxins in the food and making them unfit for consumption. उन्हें वो क्या करते हैं? These food materials are harmful for our health and they are unfit for consumption. Also, they causes or microorganism causes a number of diseases in human, in plants and in animals. प्लांट्स में, एनिमल्स में और इन ह्यूमन और मनुष्यों में different types of diseases are caused by microorganisms. For example, cold, जो common cold होता है, that is caused by microorganism, and also TB, tuberculosis, polio, hepatitis B, and typhoid, cholera, measles are large number of diseases caused by microorganisms. That is why they are harmful for us. Question number 3. Why viruses are not considered microorganism? वायरस को हम microorganisms की कैटेगरी से अलग क्यों रखते हैं? ऐसा क्यों है? because viruses are microscopic but are different from other microorganisms. Only they are only living when it is inside its host. Otherwise, it is considered as non-living, or you can say viruses are linked between the living and non-living. So they are different from the other micro organisms. Next question. Your next question is, where do microorganisms live? कहाँ कहाँ रहते हैं microorganisms? They can live in hot spring, they can live in deserts, also they can live in ice cold climates, and they can live in soil or air. So you can write different places where the microorganisms live or also present in the air. Thanks for watching.